Hey guys, Trump has won the US presidential election, causing pure euphoria in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin hit a new all-time high, hitting a record $75,000. Other coins started to surge as well, finally showing signs of life. So today I'd like to talk about the elections, the next president, and how he might affect the financial markets and crypto in particular. We'll also discuss what to do with current portfolios and whether it's too late to buy crypto now. You'll also learn why most crypto enthusiasts are making a big mistake right now, and why it's crucial to pay attention to certain coins before it's too late. So, subscribe to the channel and like this video. Let's dive in.
3, 2, 1, fire!
Just before I started making this video, the whole world learned that Trump would become the next US president. This news is everywhere. The entire world is buzzing about it. It's seen as a very bullish sign, as Trump is known for his pro-crypto stance. He's openly stated that it's an incredible market that deserves attention. He even believes that it should be supported and developed, making the US a center of crypto innovation.
This afternoon, I'm laying out my plan to ensure that the United States will be the crypto capital of the planet and the Bitcoin superpower of the world, and we'll get it done. If crypto is going to define the future, I want to be mined, minted, and made in the USA. It's going to be. It's not going to be made anywhere else. And if Bitcoin is going to the moon.
However, it's important to note that 5 years ago, his stance on crypto was the complete opposite. So we'll have to see if this is just to gain support from crypto enthusiasts, or if he's genuinely changed his view on crypto. But let's put that aside for now. I'd like to discuss the overall sentiment in the crypto market and why I think we're heading toward a risky situation. The entire crypto world anticipated this outcome. Everyone wanted someone pro-crypto to come to power. You can see this on crypto Twitter and betting sites where crypto fans hang out. Over the past months, Twitter has been filled with crypto enthusiasts posting in support of Trump, showing what the market might look like if Donald became president. Although top experts were saying the race in the US was close, with Kamala having nearly equal chances as Trump, crypto enthusiasts seem to know all along that Donald would win. For example, the total trading volume on the betting event for the next president's identity reached around $3.7 billion, with around $1.5 billion placed on Trump alone. Many people made insane profits, and some even became millionaires. It's amazing. People are euphoric, the market is surging, Trump is president, and it's bullish for all financial markets. Usually, real bull markets start right after the elections, so let's break down what's coming next. But before we continue, please subscribe to the channel because here, I regularly share portfolios and various videos with information that can help you make money. Despite the bullish sentiment around Trump across the market, I'm used to questioning everything and looking at the situation with a clear head. As I mentioned earlier, Trump rarely said anything positive about crypto before the election, and it's worth keeping that in mind. I want to draw your attention to some of his past negative comments about crypto, and then talk about his promises for this term so that we can realistically assess what lies ahead for the market. In 2021, Trump openly stated that he considered crypto to be a ticking time bomb, and even advocated for stricter regulation of the market. He pushed the idea that Bitcoin and crypto were a scam against the dollar and the US economy. But over the past year or so, Trump has surprisingly shifted to the idea of making the US the crypto capital of the world and sending Bitcoin to the moon. Recently, he even suggested creating a Bitcoin reserve in the US, which sounds pretty intriguing comparing Bitcoin to gold, a long-standing US National Reserve asset. And he's made several other interesting statements. For instance, he plans to fire Gary Gensler, the current head of the SEC, as he believes Gensler's policies are anti-crypto. It's hard to disagree since, under Gensler's leadership, almost all major crypto companies have left the US. New founders are hesitant to enter, and existing companies are bogged down in constant legal battles with the SEC. So Trump's proposal to fire Gensler is a highly bullish indicator. We'll see if he follows through on his word.
Day one, I will fire Gary Gensler and appoint a new SEC chairman.
Moreover, Trump is actively pushing the idea that the CBDC, or digital dollar, shouldn't exist since such technology raises concerns among decentralization advocates.
We will never allow the creation of a central bank digital currency.
I want to remind you that until recently, the Federal Reserve System was actively pushing for a CBDC in the US, arguing it would help fight against illegal money circulation and tax evasion. Personally, I'm very interested to see if Trump will be able to keep this promise. So, Trump's crypto policy rests on a few pillars: firing Gary Gensler and creating a welcoming environment for the crypto community and crypto projects in the US, establishing a national reserve with Bitcoin, which, in my opinion, is an even more positive plan than the first point. Preventing the creation of a CBDC, marking a clear difference between current Federal Reserve policy and Trump's stance. We should soon see the fulfillment of his first promise, and if Gary Gensler is indeed fired, it would create an extremely bullish mood in the market. But in reality, it's not that simple. The next US president may be pro-crypto, but not everyone shares his views. Politician and longtime opponent of the crypto industry Elizabeth Warren won a seat in the US Senate for the third time, defeating pro-crypto candidate John Deaton. Warren is considered one of the main political opponents of the US crypto industry. She advocates strict regulation and the extension of the provisions of the Bank Secrecy Act to crypto service providers. Let's see how things develop in US politics and whether Trump can easily implement his promises. What do you think about all this? Share in the comments. And now let's move on to my current market strategy. I want to remind you that I'm not giving financial advice here. I'm just sharing my personal experiences and market insights, so always do your own research and invest wisely. It's worth mentioning that the market is extremely volatile right now. Everyone is getting back in the market as it's at all-time highs, especially after Trump's victory. That's why I choose not to trade futures right now, because even experienced traders don't always make a profit in such constantly changing market conditions. On the screen right now, you can see the trading results of people who lacked experience and were liquidated during the market's insane rise. Now think about it. If people lost $500 million due to liquidation, imagine how much more is sitting in unrealized losses. That's insane money that people have lost. I think the market is overheated right now, so if you already have portfolios, just hold on. Don't sell. Don't buy. That's my personal strategy. I think we're going to see another 10 to 15% pullback, followed by more growth to new all-time highs by the end of the year. If you believe in crypto like I do, you should understand that now is definitely not the time to get out of the market, because we're just at the beginning of a new bull market. Interesting times are ahead, so don't leave the market now. And that's it. Remember, this video is not financial advice. It's just my view and thoughts on the market, so you should always do your own research and invest wisely. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on coin growth. Thanks for watching. This is your Coin Post.